Hey gang, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to be recreating a popular 90s cartoon. I actually was going to film a Bratz challenge for you guys, but I just did not like it. One of my favorite influencers on Instagram is Strashme. Make sure that you guys are following her. She did this Courtney Grippling look. That really had me shookington.
Who's the girl who loves to ski?
It's Courtney, it's Courtney.
Who throws the best parties?
Oh yeah, it's Courtney, it's Courtney.
Who's the girl we all agree?
It's Courtney, it's Courtney.
Like, I really love the artistry behind Strashme, so why not, you know, compliment and pay homage to her and recreate Courtney's BFF, Miranda. Miranda Kilgallen. Miranda is infamous for wearing the color purple. She also is infamous for her long pony. I have the long pony ready to go. I mean, I got the scarf on right now because I'm trying to, you know, lay the edges down. I also have this purple scrunchie because I feel like Miranda was really big on wearing her purple scrunchie. So yeah, without rambling too long, let's get into this video. I'm going to take this JonteBlu eyeliner, and this is in the shade Charcoal. I really like using this for my brows. I'm not going to do my brows as thick as I normally do because hers are really thin, and since I already like naturally have thin brows, this will be like really easy. She kind of has like this extreme arch, so I really want to like focus on my arch, but like keep it thin on the sides, you see? Doing small strokes to fill that in. Taking my RubyKiss brow brush. You guys know this is my jam. I talked about this in my eyebrow tutorial. Like, I am an ultimate 90s baby, and like I was born 91. You see why I said that? Like, I'm ashamed. No, it's just that I'm like getting so close to 30. Oh my gosh, I feel like then my life will be over. Just kidding. Okay, so I just went ahead and concealed the bottom of my brows using my foundation. I am going to use my BLANC illuminating makeup base because I'm going to be using my Chanel foundation, my Vitalumiere Aqua foundation. And I just feel like whenever you are using a foundation, if it comes with like a primer that's recommended by the brand, I always say you should use that primer because they're formulated specifically to work with that primer, so you're going to get the best results, I feel. She doesn't really have much of a bright under eye, but we're going to make this look like wearable though. Let me find a foundation brush. I don't even know what number, but this is a foundation brush, I want to say, by Crown Brushes. Apply some of that foundation onto my face. I don't like what? Liquid foundation. Understand that I do this for you guys. Just going to take my brush and kind of go in circular motions to buff it into my skin. It's so hard to like do your makeup and talk at the same time. Where were you when As Told by Ginger came out? That's the real question. Like, spill the tea, sis. Comment down below. Like, what grade were you in? Did you even watch As Told by Ginger? Do you even know who Miranda is? I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Bamboo. A little bit here, a little bit here, and of course a little bit up here because Auntie Acne, I'm sorry, but you cannot stay. Should I go down my nose? Why not? Let's try to make her straight though. Can we at least do that, Tandy? Okay, we can. I'm going to take this Vasanti concealer buffer brush. I really like using this brush for my concealer just to kind of blend everything out because I feel like it just works best, especially with this Fenty matchstick. I noticed that a lot of people are saying that they have trouble using the Fenty matchsticks to, I guess, getting on the blend. But I really love the matchsticks. I think they're super convenient, very good shade range, and also like there's literally a matchstick for anything that you want to do. I wonder how many matchsticks it would take to make a look. Comment down below if you guys want to see that video. I'm going in circular motions too when I'm blending, but I feel like when you use a smaller buffing brush like this, I feel it works best to blend these matchsticks out. And I am, as you can see, using the end of the brush here. This is going to allow you to have more light feathered strokes, whereas up here you'll have a little bit more control and you might be putting more pressure onto the skin. So I hold it out here and just swirling motions just to kind of buff everything in. You don't want to drag, you really want to buff, so go in circular motions. Just going to spray my Real Technique sponge. Get a little moist, a little wet. Make sure that I really blend concealer under my eye before I apply my powder. You don't want to set creasing, like that just defeats the purpose. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Banana Setting Powder. I love this powder and I like to set under my eye with a sponge. Setting, of course, in all of the other areas as well. I am going to take my Double Wear Powder Foundation and I'm going to set my face. This is in the shade Toasty Toffee. I like to go in with my powder and dust off my banana powder like this because I feel like it kind of, first of all, it minimizes flashback. Although I don't get flashback with the Fenty, I find that this just really kind of helps seal the deal, you know. This is our base. I feel like Miranda doesn't have much of like a contoured look, but I am going to be taking my Fenty Matchstick and this is in the shade Mocha. Look at that. That's like a perfect contour shade for me. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my contour, including the nose. I also went in and primed my lids. She's wearing like a purplish mauve pink eyeshadow. This Pixi by Petra Duo shadow. This is the Mesmerizing Mineral Duo and this is in the shade Orchid Ornament. Take my favorite crease brush, if I could speak, and this is by e.l.f. Just looks like this. Dip into, no. I'm actually going to take this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow quad. It looks like this. It's kind of got purples in it. I'm going to be alternating between these two shades right here. And I'm going to first dip into this shade right here and put that into my crease first. I've never used this either, so I'm kind of curious to see like how these shadows really pick up. Yeah, she's not really doing much for me. I'm gonna go in with that other shade, see if putting that into my crease help with those mesmerizing duos, you know. It's like Miranda has like a purple eye all over, so I'm going to take this up a little bit more than my crease area allows because I have hooded lids. I want you to see the shadow. If you guys like Instagram tutorials, make sure that you're following me on Instagram because I post a lot of Instagram makeup hair tutorials there. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild fluffy whatever brush and blend all of that. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that here. Deepen that. Okay, so that's there. Then I'm going to go into Mesmerizing Duo shadows. This Precision Shader Brush by Luxie Beauty is $2.39 if you want a number to reference. Whoa, sis. Like, where is it? Do you see it? Because I don't see it. Oh, hell no. This is not gonna cut it. Okay, I'm going to take this Milani Vital Brights shadow and I'm going to go in this purple shade right here because, whew, Pixi. That is not it, sis. That's not it. I'm just gonna take that same Precision Shader brush. I'm going to wipe it off on this napkin I have right here. Pat that in like that. And look how like pigmented that is. Like, you guys see? That's crazy. Yes, this is the purple I needed. Thank you, Milani, for saving the day. You know what? I should have put some powder underneath my eye because now I feel like I'm gonna have purple fallout everywhere. I kind of want to use this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is in the shade Amethyst. Just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, pat it on my eye. Okay, I'm not mad at that. This is a 203 brush by Real Techniques. I'm going to go right into this shade over here. That kind of showed up. At least this shadow is decent. Lower lash line. Buff that out. Now I'm going to take Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner and this is in the shade Voodoo. And I'm just going to put that on my waterline. So that's that. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using this RubyKiss All Over Glow powder. I'm just going to take that same foundation brush, kind of going like this. This is in the shade Bronze Glow, I believe. Down the center of my nose. I think I'm going to use this Lauder Gellar Baked in Blush and Tropic Hues. Take this, I think this brush is by Crown. I think it's their blush brush. And she's like really like blush. So we're gonna go in. Almost forgot about my lashes, y'all. I'm gonna take this Eddie Funkhauser mascara. Top lashes are done. Let's get to these bottom lashes. I'm going to take these trio lashes. These are the Kiss Ever Easy lashes. You guys know about these. I'm gonna take some duo lash adhesive because Courtney really has like these spider-like lashes. So I want to try to test my artistic ability. See if I can do this. Okay, so I just finished up the individual lashes. This is totally different than what I am used to, but let's go ahead and complete this look. First, we need a little bit of highlight, and I'm taking my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlight. You guys know this is my jam, and I always blend it out so that it's not so harsh and it looks like it's melted into the skin. Set the face with the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. Hope it doesn't mess up my lashes, so what I'm gonna do is just cover my eyes. And for a lip, Miranda is wearing like a pinkish lip. Let's go in and line our lips because she does have like a lined lip effect. I'm gonna use this JonteBlu Lip Liner in the shade Brown Sugar. Take this Don't Blink Pink lipstick by Wet n Wild. Work that in. And then I'm gonna take Mauve Outta Here by Wet n Wild as well. And you know what? For some reason, I feel like Miranda would be kind of like a gloss girl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Tarte lip paint in the shade Instafamous, because she would definitely be Instafamous if Instagram was around. And I'm going to use this as a topper because it has like these glittery reflex in it. Yes, that is giving me life right now, honey. I'm going to jump off camera, put on the rest of my accessories, outfit, and I will be okay, you guys. So this is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed me putting this epic 90s challenge together. And I couldn't have even probably came up with this idea without the help of Strash Me. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, she did do a Courtney Grippling look, and I just wanted to pay homage to her because she is a super dope and talented creator. I'm actually wearing her merch right now. These are the hoops from her line. Got lipstick in my teeth, but y'all know this is nothing new on this channel. It's like no matter how much I try and get rid of it, like it's still there. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap up this video. Hope to see you guys in my next one. Hi! I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. You made it all the way to the end, so go ahead and share it with your friends. But before you do that, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.